Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you and how you can download Invoice on AliExpress. So if you're using desktop, then you can log into your AliExpress account and then go to My Orders and then find the order that you need the invoice for. Now on the right side, you can click on the View Detail and then just scroll down and look for the Download Invoice button or sometimes Request Invoice. So you just have to click on it and the invoice will download as a PDF file. Now if you're using mobile, then just download the AliExpress application, or you can also go to the browser and search for aliexpress.com. So once you're in there, just log in and then go to My Orders and then select the order that you want the invoice. Now, from there, just tap on the order details and just look for the download invoice button, usually near the shipping or the payment info. So, just like that, you can save or share the PDF file from your phone. So, that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!